Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly switch apps on your iPhone. As you know, if you want to switch apps, you want to go ahead and open up this app switcher by swiping upwards. However, there's a quicker way of switching apps. So let me show you how to do this. So say for example, you're in an app store and you want to switch app to a photo app, which is already open. You can go ahead and take this bar here and swipe left, and this will switch through all the apps which are open. If you keep doing it, you'll be able to go through all the apps in order. So as you can see, I've got the calculator open, then the music app, photos app, the notes, and the settings, and then the app store. So there you go guys, that is how to quickly switch apps on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.